Ikaw na po. Hi, Vin.
Hello, Kit.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good
How are you
afternoon.
today?
I'm good. PRD is also good. He looks good. I think as you've seen, he's about to be visited also by our legal team. So he's in good hands.
How is he overall, Kit?
He looks good. His skin looks good. He eats enough, and I think he's adjusted better already. Although again, nothing is ideal in this situation. Feels a bit lonely sometimes. He did mention kanina. I think he was a bit sad while saying this, but he said, at least you won't be embarrassed of me kasi wala akong ginawang masama. And then I held his hands and I said, Papa, no one's embarrassed of you. All 5 of us, including Mira, are very proud to be your flesh and blood. Everyone outside. And I mentioned also na pagpasok ko kanina, nandito na kayo, nandito si Alvin. Tsaka may naabutan pa nga ako kanina. Sino yun? Si Madam, maingay masyado ba? Kahit nandun ako kasi I was a bit delayed while going in kasi may kasabay akong pumasok. So there can't be traffic inside. I waited sa my door, tapos narinig ko si Madam, bakit nandito ka? Sabi niya. Sabi ko, maingay talaga itong mga Bisaya. So, ayun, I told TRRD that all of you are here. I even sent him some of our pictures from the different Facebook pages showing na me with the supporters.
How are you adjusting with your visit this time?
I think my time management is better. May patakbo pero hindi na masyado mabilis. I'm on time. The last visit, I think last week, I was quite early. Ngayon naman I was on time. I'm adjusting well, and I'm trying my best to make sure that I'm not late, because like I said, yung first visit ko, which I think naman is understandable kasi grabe yung jet lag ko, nahingi siya ng 10 minutes extension sa guard. Naawa ako, sabi ko, I have to be earlier or at least on time next time.
Kit, just to talk about the reading of the decision of the appeals chamber, no? What are your lingering thoughts about the reading of that decision, which is consequential to the Filipino people supporting your father and your
I'm just
family?
really praying, kasi at the end of the day, it's beyond our control. And no matter how much you try to worry about things that you can't control, it's not gonna change a thing. Yun din yung sabi ni PRRD eh. When I asked him about different matters also, including that, sabi niya, God, leave it up to God. Like he always says also, inshallah.
As the sister of the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, what's your lingering thoughts or your opinion about the unstoppable attack almost in all sides sa sister mo, sa family mo, particularly the impeachment complaint hurled against her?
Like you said, Vin, no, unstoppable. So, I mean, these unsolicited opinions, everything, the harassment, it's inevitable. My family, most of them are in politics, obviously subject to criticism, scrutiny. It's always gonna be there. I have no lingering thoughts because in the first place, I don't lend energy or time to the things that, again, I cannot control.
Kit, what's your message, just to conclude this interview, to the Filipino people following closely the proceeding, especially upcoming Wednesday?
I'm grateful for your continuous support, mga kababayan ko. To be honest, I deem you braver than all of us because kami na pamilya, mga anak niya, hindi namin kaya manood actually. I think that everyone that's continuing to show support are the best people ever. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Like PRRD said, he hopes balang araw he can repay that loyalty. So maraming salamat sa inyo. I hope we never stop until he is home. Bring him home.
Thank you, Kit. Mabuhay ka.
Thank you. Mabuhay.